We're going to show you how to colour your hair with The Shade. We'll cover a full-length colour application and a root touch-up. The Shade's entire colour range is free from nasties like ammonia, PPD. It won't cause irritation on sensitive skin. It's cruelty-free and vegan. Let's get started. The Shade is delivered with everything you need to transform your hair. A full set of salon tools arrives with your first order, including a tint bowl and brush, clips, and a colourproof cape and mat. Your colour kit has your colour, developer, barrier oil to prevent stains, colour remover wipe, colour protection shampoo, and conditioner. It's best to apply your colour to dry, unwashed hair. Start by sectioning your hair using the tint brush handle to divide your hair and clip it into 4 sections. The barrier oil will prevent staining on your skin, so pop that around your hairline, ears, and neck. Now you're ready to put on your gloves and mix your colour. Squeeze your colour and developer into the tint bowl and mix them together using either your tint brush or a tint whisk, like we're using today. Start by applying the colour to your roots first. Unclip one area of hair and apply the colour along your roots. Then just continue applying to thin slices of hair throughout each section. Don't forget about those stubborn greys, usually found at the hairline, at the front and sides. After you've covered all your roots, continue applying the colour down the lengths of your hair. Once the colour is processed, it's time to jump in the shower. Your colour protection shampoo and conditioner will deeply hydrate and condition, locking in the colour and shine to balance the pH of your hair after colouring. Once you've dried your hair, you're ready to enjoy your gorgeous new hair colour thanks to The Shade.